They say you can smell death in the air, but here, it's just the flowers. Hidden behind locked black gates in northern England lies a place where even brushing against a leaf could be your last mistake. This is the Poison Garden of Alnwick, a botanical collection so dangerous that visitors are forbidden to touch, taste, or even smell most of what grows inside. While other gardens celebrate life, this one teaches you to respect death, the origins of a deadly idea. The Poison Garden was born from a single dangerous idea, that fear could be the best teacher. When the Duchess of Northumberland designed it, she wanted something more memorable than roses and rhododendrons. She wanted a living lesson about respect for nature's darker side. So in 2005, she opened the gates to a collection unlike any other. A garden where every plant could kill you, make you hallucinate, or leave you gasping for air. Inside are the ancient killers, Hemlock, used to execute Socrates, Belladonna, once used by assassins to dilate their pupils and disguise intent, Monkshood, beautiful in bloom but lethal in a sip. Even common plants like foxglove, laurel, and rhubarb show their sinister sides here. It's all arranged in neat beds, deceptively peaceful, their danger disguised beneath perfect leaves. Visitors are only allowed in with a guide, and they're instructed to keep their hands behind their backs at all times. There are stories of guests collapsing from the fumes of toxic plants like Angel's Trumpet or deadly Datura. And the gates themselves carry a skull and crossbones, a blunt warning that this is no ordinary garden walk. The Duchess's vision wasn't to glorify death, but to confront it, to remind us that nature doesn't exist for our comfort or control. Sometimes its beauty is a trap. Step into the Poison Garden and you begin to understand something profound. Poison isn't evil. It's simply chemistry with consequences. Every deadly plant inside tells a story about humanity's constant dance with danger. Foxglove can stop your heart, but when refined into digitalis, it becomes a life-saving heart medication. Opium poppies produce morphine, a medical miracle that became one of the most addictive substances ever unleashed. The same compounds that once armed assassins also form the backbone of modern pharmacology. The garden doesn't moralize, it just shows you that power is neutral until we decide what to do with it. Even the most ordinary yard plants hold danger if misused. Cherry laurel leaves contain cyanide. Rhubarb leaves can poison you. Daffodils and tulips cause violent nausea if eaten. What separates medicine from murder is the dose and the discipline to respect it. That's the real message of the Poison Garden. Awareness. Its black iron gates may look like a warning against death, but they're really a lesson in balance, in remembering that nature is not benign. It heals and it harms, sometimes in the same breath. And when visitors leave Alnwick's dark little corner of the world, They often look at their own gardens differently, not as safe, tame places, but as something alive, powerful, and deserving of reverence. So when you look out at your own garden this Halloween, remember, the line between life and death is already there, rooted beneath your feet. The Alnwick Poison Garden is a warning disguised as a wonder, a reminder that beauty and danger often bloom on the same stem. And if you ever visit, keep your hands to yourself, because in this garden, curiosity can be fatal.